COVID time is definitely a time of digital media. We have seen tremendous increase in the number of vloggers, YouTubers, digital experts, and so many new people are coming into picture every day. When we were stopped to communicate naturally, our communication with digital media has been increased dramatically. One of the main challenges the vloggers, YouTubers, and digital experts find is enhancing their digital content before they push into online. It includes pushing into YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and other social medias. It is very essential that they do a perfect graphic enhancement before they push into online. We at AIMS, we've been training hundreds of students during this time to enhance their digital content effectively and efficiently. This includes adding subtitles into the videos, adding logos into their graphics, enhancing the coloring and sounding mode, finding the digital copyright-free musics for their videos, and so many other things. The special tools like Adobe Photoshop, InDesign, Illustrator, Premiere, etc. have been effectively used for this purpose. We have expert trainers from the industry who have years of experience to support you. Feel free to connect us to discuss your personal requirement, and I am 100% sure that we are able to assist you and support you and train you to make your digital content effectively competent. Thank you very much.